During the IELTS speaking test, you might forget some words because you're nervous. Try not to worry. You can use other words to explain what you mean.
I don't know what you call it, but you use it to cut grass. I can't remember the word for it, but it's used for changing the TV channel. I can't remember the word for them, but they help you to see underwater. I've forgotten the name for it, but it's a type of fish with red meat and is normally quite expensive. I don't recall the word for this profession, but it's a person who helps passengers on a plane. I've forgotten the verb, but it's when you change the color of something, for example, your hair or your car.
If you are aiming for a very high band, you might consider using some advanced expressions like these.
The name of this crime is on the tip of my tongue, but I can't recall it. It's a form of crime where someone dishonestly takes money that is entrusted to him or her. The name of this condition has completely slipped my mind. It's when you have problems breathing. I've never come across the name of this animal in English, but it's a nocturnal bird with large eyes, a flat face, and a flexible neck.